Good morning student. Today I will start chapter 4 linear equation in two variable. Now earlier you have studied linear equation in one variable. For this example of linear equation is 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 and the two x plus 5 is equal to 0, and when you solve this equation x comes out to be x is equal to minus 5 upon 2, and you can represent this value on number line. This is known as the solution of linear equation in one variable, and there is only unique solution, one solution of linear equation in one variable. Now you can take so many example of linear equation in one variable, like 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. When you solve this, there is only one situation. But there are situations in real life where the assuming of two variable is much easier than assuming of one variable. टू वेरिएबल को मानना ज़्यादा आसान रहता है एज कम्पेयर टू assuming of one variable. For example, Ishant and Rohit together scored 176 runs. Here in this example, we don't know the run is separately scored by each batsman. आपको दोनों के मिला के रन पता है और अलग अलग दोनों ने कितने बनाए ये नहीं पता. So for this we can assume run scored by Ishant is x and run scored by Rohit is 5. दोनों का मिला के मीन्स x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 176. तो यहाँ पे x और y एज्यूम करना ज़्यादा ईजी है. नाउ अब इक्वेशन इज नोन एज लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. अब लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल में देखोगे, एक फर्स्ट वेरिएबल की टर्म होगी, एक सेकंड वेरिएबल की टर्म होगी और एक कांस्टेंट टर्म होगी. तो इसकी जो जनरल फॉर्म होती है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्म, द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ टू वेरिएबल लीनियर इक्वेशन इज ax प्लस by प्लस c इज इक्वल टू 0. तीन टर्म जनरल फॉर्म में, एक फर्स्ट वेरिएबल की, एक सेकंड वेरिएबल की, एक कांस्टेंट टर्म. Here x and y are known as variable, a and b are known as constants. A, b, c are real number. A is known as coefficient of x, b is known as coefficient of y and c is constant term. Now coefficient of x means number attached with x in starting. x से पहले जो ये नंबर है a, ये कहलाया जाता है coefficient of x. ये x से पहले ये जो नंबर है, this is known as coefficient of x, a. Now y से पहले जो नंबर है ये कहलाया जाएगा कोफिशिएंट ऑफ y, एंड c जिसमें कोई भी वेरिएबल नहीं है. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्म, दिस इज नोन एज जनरल फॉर्म. नाउ I am taking some example of general form. For this I am taking question number 2. First I will told you later on. Second question is express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here in general form you can see that one side is 0. Here right hand side is 0. You can also take left hand side is 0. मतलब one side is 0 and indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. For this I am taking question 2 first part. First part, question number 2. Question number 2, first part. First part is 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35 bar. Now when you convert this into general form, you have to make right side 0. For this you have to transfer 9.35 bar into left hand side. You have to transfer 9.35 bar into left hand side. Now when you transfer 9.35 bar into left hand side, its sign change. So I transfer 9.35 bar into left hand side. So your equation become in general form 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equals to 0. Now your equation is a general form. Write ABC. A is a coefficient of x, that means number attached with x. Here it is A. This is A. So A is 2. Here A is 2. Now A is 2. Now B number attached with y. This is known as coefficient of y. Now it is B. B is number attached with y. B is 3. Now C is constant term, which is minus 9.35 बार. यहाँ पे एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, ABC आपको विद साइन लेने हैं. जैसे C का साइन माइनस है तो ये C की वैल्यू हो जाएगी minus 9.35 बार. Now I am taking one more example. I am taking fourth part. Fourth part is x equals to 3y. Now first you write this equation in general form. When you write this equation in general form, you have to transfer 3y into left hand side. Now when you transfer 3y into left hand side, its sign will change, so it is x minus 3y, and in right hand side it is 0, so it is a general form. Here A means number attached with x. There is no number in starting which is attached with x, so it is 1 is hidden here, so A is 1. When there is not a number attached with variable, so its value is 1, so here A is 1. Yeah, A is here, A is 1. And B number attached with y. Here B is number attached with y, and you have to take number with sign. It is B is minus 3. B is minus 3. Now there is not a constant term here, that means term which is free from x and y. There is not a constant term here, so you will take C is 0. If there is no term, you can take its coefficient or term equals to 0. C equals to 0. Similarly, you can do the other part. First you have to write the equation in general form, then you have to write the value of A, B and C. Now one point you have to pay attention, that is you have to take A, B, C with sign. So you will attempt other part yourself. Now that's all for today. Thank you.